Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your PlayStation controller is blinking white and how you can fix it. Let's get started. Your PlayStation controller can blink white due to connection issues. This is the most common reason for your controller's blinking white light. Your controller might disconnect from the console, requiring you to reconnect it. Turn off your console and controller and wait at least 5 seconds before turning them back on. Connect the USB cable to the console and controller, then press the PS button on the controller. Remove the cable and check if the connection was successful. It could also blink white due to a low battery. A low battery affects the PlayStation controller's ability to sustain a wireless connection, which prompts the blinking white light. If you suspect your controller's battery is running low, plug it in. Here's how. Power on your console and have it in rest mode. Plug in one end of the USB cable to the console and the other to your controller. Alternatively, you can use a charging adapter. Wait for your controller to charge. It takes approximately 2 hours to fully charge. Monitor this process by observing the color changes to the light bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.